Hello everyone. In last class we were discussing about the rate analysis of cement concrete bed, and today's class we're going to discuss about the stone masonries. In the stone masonry we have different types. There are three types here. One is random rubble stone masonry, second one is the coarse rubble stone masonry, and third one is the ashlar stone masonry here. Okay, now let's move on to the first one, that is random rubble stone masonry. And here we have question like this: random rubble stone masonry in cement mortar 1:6 in foundation and plinthing. So for this we should calculate the rate analysis for 10 meter cube of work here. Okay, na? So as you know that for concrete we calculated the volume here, that is the volume of concrete is around 15.2. Similarly for materials stone, the we have volume is 12.5 here. That volume will be 12.5. You should remember again. So for stone we have volume will be 12.5. Okay, 12.5 meter cube. So this is for 10 meter cube of work. So we should divide it by 12.5 meter cube here. So then we should calculate the mortars here. Mortar dry volume will be taken as 42% of volume of masonry. So here dry volume of mortar will be taken as 42% of volume of masonry. So volume of masonry here we have 10 meter cube. So 42% is the dry volume, that is 42 divided by 100 into 10, and we got 4.2. So this is the dry volume of mortar in order to calculate the materials here. So dry volume of mortar is around we got 4.2. So then the cement bags here, cement bag equals to, so cement bag equals to, sorry, first we should calculate the cement, and the dry volume divided by the total proportion. The total proportion is 1:6, so 1 plus 6 here. Then cement equals to 4.2 divided by 1 plus 6, then we got 0.6 meter cube. It is in the form of meter cube, but here we should calculate the cement in the form of number of bags here. So for one bag of cement, it volume will be around 0.0347 meter cube here. So therefore number of bags of cement equals to 0.6 divided by 0.0347, then we got the total number of bags is around 70 numbers. Okay, then after the cement bag, and here we are using the mortar, so the sand equals to, the volume of cement is around 6 here, 0.6 into 6 is the sand proportion, then 0.6 into 6, then we got the sand volume is around 3.6 meter cube here. So for cement we got around 17 bags, whereas for sand we got around 3.6 meter cube here. Then we should calculate the rate analysis here and prepare a tabular column, that is serial number, particulars, quantity, rate and amount here. And in that we should consider the stone here, and for bonding and as well as the wastage is around 12.5 meter cube. Okay, is around 12.5 meter cube here. That is for stones here, that quantity of stones. So per 10 meter cube of work, for that, remember, per 10 meter cube of work we required 12.5 meter cube of stones here. 12.5 meter cube of stones you should remember here, or else it should be calculated here, but here we don't have time for the calculation, so directly move on to the values here. You should remember these values, that is 12.5. And second one is the sand here, as we calculated sand, and here we got the sand is 3.6 meter cube, and cement is around we got 17 bags here. Okay, then we move on to the next tabular column, that is a rate here. And for stone 12.5 meter cube we have, that is total quantity, and here rate 800 rupees per meter cube here. That is the market rate for the stone is around 800 rupees per meter cube. Then after multiplying 12.5 into 800, then we got the total amount that we have to put in the last column, that is amount, that is around 10,000 here. Similarly for the sand per meter cube is around 1900 rupees here. Then 3.6 into 1900, then we got 6840, 6840. Similarly for the sand, it is around, here we took the average rate, that is 325, then 17 into 325, then we got the total amount is 5525 here. This is all about the materials. Next we move on to the labors. So as we discussed in the labor output task, and here we have different types of labor. So that is admission. Admission is nothing but Mestri, Mason, Mazdoor, Bisti and Coolie here. And here uh, for completing the 10 meter cube of work per day, we required around admission is around 0.5 year, and whereas mason is around 10 numbers, Mazdoor is around 18 numbers, and Bisti is 1 number, and Cool is around 6 numbers. So once again, admission is 0.5, mason is 10, Mazdoor is 18, Bisti is 1 number, and Cool is 6 numbers. And here we have rates, and for admission you may get around 500 rupees per day, and mason you may get around 450 rupees per day, and Mazdoor you may get around 400, and Bisti is 250, and Cool is around 350. So after multiplying the number of labors and the rate, then we got the total amount here. And for admission per day 250 rupees, that is the total amount for in order to complete the 10 meter cube of work, you may get around 250 rupees, and whereas for mason you may get around 4500 rupees. And similarly for the different item of work here, sorry, the different amount here, that is Mazdoor and Bisti and Coolie, they get total amount is around 4500, 7200, 250 and 2100 here. Then last one is the T and P is nothing but tools and plants and contogeneous or sundaris, and here we took that one is a lump sum, and the lump sum is around 250 rupees lump sum, and the total amount is around 250. Then after adding all this amount, and we got the total amount is 36,915 here. For that we need to add 1.5% of the water charge. So after adding the water charge, we got around 553.7. So then we are added that amount, then we got the total amount is 37,468.72. For this amount again we have to add 10% of contractor for pitch and overhead here. Then after adding 10%, we got 3,746.88. Then by adding these two amount, we got the grand total is 41,215.59. This is the total grand amount. Then the rate per meter cube. Then what is the rate of amount per meter cube? This is for 10 meter cube of work, but here we record per meter cube. What is the cost for meter cube is the total grand amount, that is the grand total divided by the quantity of work is around 10 meter cube. Then we got amount rate per meter cube equals to 4122. Now this is all about random rubber stone masonry. Then we move on to the coarse rubber stone masonry. Then coarse rubber stone masonry, and again the stone will be remain same. The quantity of stone will be around 12.5 meter cube, and dry volume here we are considering 40% here. For coarse rubber stone masonry, dry volume will be considered. That means we are reducing the 2% here. That is 40% volume of masonry. That is 40 divided by 100 into 10 meter cube of work. Then we got 4 meter cube here. This is the dry volume. Remember, for coarse rubber stone masonry, dry volume is equal to 4 meter cube, or else you should calculate it like this. Okay. Then we should calculate the materials here. That is calculation of materials. First cement 4 divided by proportion is 1:6 here. So 4 divided by 1:6. Suppose if it is 1:8, or suppose if it is 1:4, then again you have to change the proportion at the bottom here. Then the quantity of cement and sand will be changes here. But in this question he has given 1:6, so we should take it as 1:6. 4 divided by 1:6, then we got 0.57 meter cube, and number of bags equals to around 60 number of bags we required for the 10 meter cube of work. And similarly for sand 0.57 into 0.57 into 6, this one is the 6 here, sorry for that. Then we got the total sand is equals to 3.42, this is 0.6 here, sorry for that. Then you should prepare the tabular column similarly as we prepared for the random rubber stone masonry. And here serial number, particulars, quantity, rate and amount here. First one we should consider the materials. In the stone, as I told you, it includes the post bonding as well as the wastage here, and the quantity is around 12.5 meter cube. Here we have 12.5 meter cube here. And similarly for rate is around 800 rupees, so 12.5 meter cube, and rate will be 800 per meter cube. After multiplying 12.5 into 800, we got this amount is around 10,000. Next we move on to the sand, and the sand is 3.42, that total volume here we got 3.42. Rate is around 1900 here per 1900 per meter cube. Then 3.42 into 1900, then we got the total amount of 649H here. Then we move on to the third one, that is cement, and here we got 16 bags here. Per bag rate is around 325 rupees. After multiplying these two, then we got amount is 5200 here. This is all about the materials. Then we move on to the labors. In that admission or masonry is around 0.5, and you may get around 500 rupees per day. Then total amount will be for 10 meter cube is around, you may get around 250 rupees. And mason, that is 40 numbers, and per day you may get around 450 rupees. And for 10 meter cube, the total amount will be 6300. Mazdoor is 80 numbers here, and rate will be around 400 per day. And after multiplying 18 into 400, then you may get around 7200. And BISTI, 2 plus 4 is nothing but 2 number of BISTI and 4 number of coolie here. So then we took average amount around 300 rupees, then it will be 6 into 300, around 1800 rupees. Then tools and plants, 250 lump sum, then it will be considered 250 here. Then after adding all these amount here, then we got the total cost is around 37,498. For this I added 1.5% of water charges here, and after adding water charges, then I got the total amount is 38,060 rupees. And for this I added 10% of contractor profit. After adding the contractor profit 10%, then I got 3,806 rupees. And for then I added then I calculated the grand total. The grand total is here 41,866.51. Then this is for 10 meter cube of work. Okay, now then what is for meter cube? What is the rate for meter cube? This rate is for 10 meter cube, but here you should calculate the rate per meter cube. Then rate per meter cube is equals to so here we have 4,090 rupees rate per meter. Then we got 4,886 here, then we round off into 4,190 rupees. This is all about the cost of stone masonry. Then we move on to the Osler masonry in cement mortar 1:6. That is for foundation and plinth here. And as I told, the quantity of stone will be remain same, and dry volume here, will be considered 25%. 25% of volume of masonry, and here 25 divided by 100 into 10, then we got the total volume will be around 2.5 here. Then cement, then calculate the quantity of cement here. Cement equals to 2.5 divided by 1:6, that is proportion is 1:6 here. So 2.5 divided by 1 plus 6 equals to 0.36. Therefore number of bags equals to 0.36 divided by 0.0347. 0.0347 is the volume of one bag here. And then sand equals to 0.36 into 6, then we got to 2.16 here. Then again we prepared tabular column, then we put it the same rates here, and for stone is around 800 rupees, and sand 1900, and cement is around 325 rupees, and here 10 bags here. Then we got these amounts here. Then when we move on to the labors, and here admission is around 0.5 here, and whereas mason is around 25 numbers here we got. And because special care has to taken while constructing the Osler masonry, so that is the reason mason number will be slightly increases here. And Mazdoor is around 80 numbers, and coolie is 17, and BISTI is 1.5. And these are the rates for the different types of labors per day. Then we got the total amount. Then the total amount is around 42,629. For this I added 1.5% of water charge. After adding 1.5% of water charge, then I got 639.45. Then I added 10% of contractor profit. Then after adding 10% of contractor profit for this amount, then I got 4,326.84. Then I added these two amount. Here. Then I got the grand total is 47,595.25. that is 43,268.43 plus 4,326.84. Then I got 47,595.27. Then this is for 10 meter cube of work. Therefore, the rate per meter cube equals to total grand amount divided by the total quantity of work is 10 meter cube here. Then we got 4,760 rupees per meter cube. Per meter cube, we require this much of amount. This is all about the Osler Masonry in cement mortar 1:6. Okay, thank you.